Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond? That very question ignited one of the most thrilling chapters in human history. It all began on October 4th, 1957. A tiny metallic sphere with 4 spiky antennas, Sputnik 1, pierced the darkness, its faint beeps signaling the dawn of a new era. This wasn't just a satellite, it was a challenge, a starting pistol for the space race, a frantic competition between the world's 2 superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, to conquer the final frontier. The race for the heavens had officially begun, pushing the boundaries of science and human ambition further than ever before. The world held its breath as the Soviets achieved another incredible milestone. On April 12, 1961, a young cosmonaut named Yuri Gagarin strapped himself into the cramped Vostok 1 capsule. As the rocket roared to life, he became the first human being to journey into outer space, orbiting our planet and seeing it as no one had before. A brilliant blue marble suspended in the vast, silent blackness. Gagarin's famous words, "Poyakali," "Let's go," echoed around the globe, cementing his place in history and proving that humanity was no longer bound to Earth. The dream of space travel was now a reality, setting the stage for an even more audacious goal. In response to the Soviet triumphs, American President John F. Kennedy declared a bold objective: to land a man on the moon before the decade was out. The Apollo program was born, a monumental effort mobilizing hundreds of thousands of people and pushing technology to its absolute limits. On July 20, 1969, the world watched in awe as the Apollo 11 lunar module, the Eagle, touched down on the lunar surface. Neil Armstrong descended the ladder, his boot making the first human imprint in the moon dust. His iconic words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated with billions, marking the pinnacle of the space race and a unifying moment for all humanity. Today, the spirit of exploration continues, but the race has transformed into a global collaboration. We are living in a new golden age of discovery. Robotic emissaries like the Perseverance and Curiosity rovers tirelessly explore the rusty terrain of Mars, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. Far beyond, the James Webb Space Telescope peers back to the dawn of time, capturing breathtaking images of distant galaxies and unlocking the universe's oldest secrets. The journey that began with a beeping satellite now looks toward establishing a permanent presence on the moon and taking the next giant leap to Mars. The adventure is far from over. It's only just beginning.